All right, hi everybody, this is Mrs. Freudenberg, and this is a little tutorial on how to get your PDF from Classkick and put it into Schoology. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to your Classkick account and log in, so you should see your name right up here on the left, and then find the assignment that you want. So for example, during the classes lava, it's going to be this one. Okay, and you did this. Oops, this has an extra thing on it. All right, so once you have your assignment ready, you're going to go up here to this little, I don't know, person icon. Click that, and it should export it to PDF. Okay, and then it'll go wherever yours go, right? So it might go to your downloads, it might go to your desktop. That's something that you need to figure out in your computer where it goes to. Why is it calling me? Okay, where it goes to, okay? And I just got this Mac, so I'm trying to figure that out. So let's hope for the best. Okay, so then you're going to go to Schoology, and I have mine and my son's account open, so you wonder. So when you go to courses and you see your physics course, you're going to click that, and then you'll have to find the assignment. So you can either find it in the class day folder, or you might see it on your upcoming list. All right, or if you click that little calendar, you might see it here in the calendar. Okay, so there's a couple different places you can access the assignment. All right, so this is going to be in the class 2 folder. Okay, see it right here, classes lava, upload here. Okay, or you can see it in the list. Okay, so it doesn't really matter, it all goes to the same place. All right, so once you click it, right, this is my teacher version, so let me show you what the student version looks like. Okay, so we had to make a fake assignment in Carl's chemistry class. Okay, so here you'll find the assignment wherever it is, and then you'll open it. Okay, and then it'll look like this for you. Okay, so this is how the student version looks. So then when you're ready to submit it, you just go over here to submit assignment. You click this button. Wow, this is incredibly slow. Okay, and then where it says upload, you're going to click this little thing with papers that says file. So if you click this, all right, then you have to find where yours is. Okay, so I think mine goes to downloads. I don't even remember what's called. Okay, so here it is. It's called to create roster, right? So you have to find it where it is. So I'm going to click that. This is the Classkick, okay? And then do you see here, it'll come onto here, to create roster. It'll say your name, and then you just hit submit, okay? Then you can see here that it's submitted, all right? And then as a teacher version, I will then get to see a whole list of everybody that has it, okay? So once you see it go in here submitted, then that means that I have it. All right. And that is a quick lesson on how you submit things from Classkick into Schoology.